Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video I'm going to show you Dokan Multivendor show vendor login and register form inside model pop-up working demo. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Dokan updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, see on my screen WordPress WooCommerce plus Dokan is working fine. Here are some main Dokan menus: dashboard, this add section, checkout. Now I'm going to click on my account menu. Then we will see model pop-up. See guys, the beautiful model pop-up with login and register forms. I am a customer or vendor. So if I will select vendor, then you will see more input fields like normal vendor form. I will close it and open again. See, close again, open again. Login form, register form works well. Insert model pop-up. Now I will log in from this form. Login, great, it works. And now I came vendor dashboard. Works well. Product section, great, works well. So guys, have you seen? All the things are working fine. And I will come with more demos. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. So guys, I will come with more demos like this. So here is for now. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.